Hola amigos, ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? Hoy es el 20 de agosto. Didn't understand a word? You will be able to figure out what I'm trying to say after watching this lesson. In today's lesson, we will be covering meses del año, that is, months of an year. Let's start. January is enero, February is febrero, March is marzo, April is abril, May is mayo, June is junio. Be careful. Here, J will be pronounced as H, so it will be pronounced as junio. July is julio. August is agosto. September is septiembre. October is octubre. November is noviembre. December is diciembre. Now we are quite clear with the months in an year. Let's answer some frequently asked questions. First one, ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? That is, what's the date today? Hoy es 29 de agosto. That is, today is 29th of August. The second most frequently asked question is, ¿cuándo es tu cumpleaños? That is, when is your birthday? You would say, mi cumpleaños es el 30 de julio. That is, my birthday is on 30th of July. The third most frequently asked question was, ¿cuál es tu fecha de nacimiento? You would answer, mi fecha de nacimiento is 1995. In words, it would be 1995. Till now, we didn't do any counting above 100. So we will be covering the numbers above 100 in future lessons. Till then, adios.